Hey everyone. Since recently, the Microsoft agent character called Clippy has been becoming really popular. A lot of people want him back, but since Microsoft Agent was only available for Windows XP, I believe, a lot of people don't know how to actually get it back. But there is one way to get Microsoft Agent back, and with it isn't just Clippy, but all of the agent characters plus some custom ones. And it is not by using a virtual machine, but rather a software. First of all, I want you to go to the link in the description. I provided a download page for software called Mash. It is designed for Windows XP, but it also works on Windows 10. I don't know about 11, but I know it does work on 10. So we click here. You want to click Mash Full Setup, and you'll get the download here. And then a desktop icon will appear called Mash. Click OK. And here you can basically go ahead and play with some of these characters. For example, you choose a character. As you can see, there's a lot of them to choose from. But if you choose here, clip it, as you can see, click show. There he is, there's Clippy. Now you can do all sorts of things with this guy. For example, if you play around with the settings, but basically you can just like animate him, set gesture left and gesture top, and you can gesture at, and it'll play the animation. Basically there's a lot of things you can do here. You can also make him say stuff, and the chat bubbles are different. For example, if you say whisper, in here you can tell him what to say. For example, hello, I am Clippy, and then if you say speak, there he is. Oh, sorry. There you go. He can now speak to you. And if you just want him as desktop decoration, you can minimize the window and he'll be right here. And if you right click, you can open commands window, hide. There's a whole bunch of options. I haven't tried them all yet because I just found out about this software. But yeah, if you want like a little nostalgia trip or anything like that, just download Mesh and play with the characters. I'll show you here also. There's just a bunch of other characters like Genie, for example. And you can have multiple characters. So that was it. That was just a short little tutorial on how to bring these wonderful characters back, as they were considered very annoying back in the day. But now, with all of the, controversy with AI and stuff like that, people really want Clippy back, and I was one of those people. So Mash is the next best thing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.